Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Yahoo Mail application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application and clicking on the open button, it's going to take you to the home page or the sign up page rather for Yahoo Mail, and in that sign up page you're going to be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever you choose, once you log in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to disable two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. So let's say you added two-step verification for extra layer of security and you want to disable it. This is what you can do. Head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon or your profile picture. Click on that, and that takes you here where you have upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, add another mailbox, manage account, notification settings, and feedback. Click on manage accounts. Now, I'd like you to know that Yahoo Mail is highly security sensitive, so this page is not going to be displayed. But I'm going to show you what you're going to find on this page. You'll find use this account in Yahoo Mail, and you find your name, that's your email, and you have account info, add account, and secure scanner. So go ahead and click on account info. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the next window where you have overview, personal info, security, and recent activity. Click on security, then confirm your identity, and that's going to take you to the next window. Now, over here in the next window, head over to the two-step verification category. And once you do that, just right next to it, you're going to find the turn on button. So if you have enabled it, instead of turn on, it's going to be turn off. Now, click on turn off, and that's just going to be it. Your two-step verification will be deactivated or disabled. Now, we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.